Have you ever fixed everything explained in the previous episode and still felt that your Audi navigation behaves strangely? Routes that suddenly feel less precise, traffic updates that arrive late, or guidance that seems hesitant even when the system appears fully functional. If you are at this point, you are no longer dealing with basic problems. You are dealing with how the system interprets uncertainty, and this is where most misunderstandings begin. Audi navigation does not operate like a static map. It constantly evaluates multiple data layers at the same time. GPS position, vehicle speed, map confidence, traffic reliability, and driver behavior are continuously compared. When all these signals align, the system behaves decisively. When even one of them becomes unstable, the system switches into a conservative mode without warning the driver. This is why the system can feel unpredictable, even when nothing is technically wrong. One of the most common causes of this behavior is partial data conflict. This happens when GPS position is accurate, but traffic data is delayed, or when map data is correct, but driving patterns differ from what the system expects. In these situations, Audi navigation reduces rerouting aggressiveness and delays decisions. To the driver, this feels like hesitation, but in reality, the system is protecting itself from making incorrect suggestions. Another critical factor is how often guidance is interrupted. Starting navigation and canceling it before reaching the destination prevents the system from confirming that a route was successful. Over time, repeated interruptions reduce routing confidence. The system does not learn from routes that are never completed. This is why two drivers using the same roads can experience completely different navigation behavior. Driving style also influences system behavior. Frequent deviations, ignoring instructions, or making sudden changes teach the system to be less assertive. Audi navigation adapts by offering fewer proactive suggestions and by delaying reroutes. This adaptation is gradual and silent, which makes it difficult for drivers to connect cause and effect. System load also matters. During cold starts, after system wake-up, or when multiple vehicle systems demand resources at the same time, navigation may delay updates rather than risk incorrect guidance. This is especially noticeable in the first minutes of a drive and is often mistaken for a malfunction. The key insight is simple but crucial. When Audi navigation behaves oddly without obvious errors, it is usually responding to uncertainty, not failing. Understanding this changes how you interact with the system. Instead of fighting it, you begin working with it. In the next part, we'll focus on how to restore confidence without resetting the system, using controlled, step-by-step actions that stabilize navigation behavior while preserving learned data. Once you understand that Audi navigation reacts to uncertainty rather than failure, the next step is learning how to restore confidence without erasing everything the system has learned. This is where many drivers make mistakes. Resetting the system may feel satisfying, but it often removes valuable adaptive data and forces navigation to start from zero. The goal instead is to guide the system back into a stable, confident state using deliberate actions. The first rule is consistency. Choose a familiar destination and allow navigation to guide you from start to finish multiple times without canceling guidance. Completing routes sends a strong signal that the system's decisions were correct. This alone can significantly improve routing confidence within a few drives. Avoid making manual detours unless absolutely necessary. Even small deviations can be interpreted as uncertainty. Timing is another critical factor. Starting navigation before driving allows the system to calculate routes calmly. When guidance is initiated while the vehicle is already moving, the system has less time to evaluate traffic and historical patterns. Whenever possible, set the destination before leaving. Visual stability also matters. Constantly switching between map views, zoom levels, or orientations increases processing load. Choose one display mode and stick with it during navigation. This reduces update delays and improves guidance timing. Many drivers underestimate how much visual interaction affects system responsiveness. Voice input should be used intentionally. Audi's voice system performs best with structured commands. Successful voice interactions reinforce clean system behavior, while repeated failed commands increase uncertainty. When voice works reliably, it actually strengthens navigation confidence rather than weakening it. Connectivity must be verified before judging performance. Do not assume online services are active simply because the map is visible. Live traffic and dynamic routing depend on stable data access. If connectivity drops during a drive, navigation silently shifts strategy. When traffic suddenly feels wrong, the system may simply be operating offline. Avoid adjusting hidden menus or advanced settings unless you fully understand their purpose. These options rarely solve confidence-related behavior and often reset learned adaptation. After several consistent, uninterrupted trips, most systems recover naturally. Drivers often describe this as the system fixing itself, but in reality, they have rebuilt trust. Audi Navigation learns from patterns, not from corrections. The most important mindset shift is patience. Navigation systems are designed to improve over time, not instantly. By working with the system instead of forcing it, you allow its adaptive logic to function as intended. In the final part of this episode, we'll explain why some navigation decisions still feel illogical even when confidence is restored, and how to recognize when the system is making intentional trade-offs rather than mistakes. Even after confidence has been restored, there are moments when Audi Navigation still feels illogical. Routes that seem longer than expected, delayed rerouting, or decisions that contradict your personal experience. This is the point where most drivers assume the system is wrong, but in many cases, it is behaving exactly as designed. Understanding this final layer is what separates basic users from those who truly master the system. Audi Navigation does not aim to find the fastest route in absolute terms. It aims to find the most reliable route based on probability. When traffic data is incomplete, inconsistent, or historically unstable, the system prioritizes predictability over theoretical speed. This is why it may avoid a shortcut you know well, but that frequently changes conditions. From the system's perspective, consistency is safer than optimism. Late rerouting is another behavior that often frustrates drivers. Audi Navigation waits until confidence crosses a defined threshold before committing to a change. Early rerouting risks sending the driver into uncertain conditions. Late rerouting feels reactive, but it is intentional. The system prefers to wait for confirmation rather than guess. This design choice reduces the chance of repeated corrections, which would increase driver stress. Route continuity is also a priority. The system avoids excessive changes because frequent instructions increase cognitive load. Even if a slightly faster route exists, navigation may stick with the current one to maintain clarity and reduce distraction. This is where informed drivers gain control. Once you recognize when the system is being conservative, you can decide whether to follow guidance or override it intentionally. The key is consistency. If you choose to override, do so decisively and consistently. Sporadic corrections confuse the system far more than deliberate choices. Another important concept is long-term behavior. Audi Navigation evaluates success over many trips, not individual moments. One incorrect decision does not redefine the system. Repeated outcomes do. This is why patience matters. Short-term frustration often disappears when patterns stabilize. The most powerful hidden strategy is letting navigation finish what it starts. Completing routes, accepting reroutes when reasonable, and minimizing unnecessary interruptions gradually increases system assertiveness. Over time, guidance becomes earlier, traffic responses faster, and routing calmer. At this stage, navigation stops feeling random. It becomes predictable because you understand its priorities. This is the real upgrade Audi offers, and it does not come from software updates alone. It comes from informed use. This episode closes the foundation. You now know how Audi Navigation thinks, how it builds confidence, and why it behaves the way it does. In the next episode, we will move beyond problem solving and unlock advanced features, hidden tools, and functions that most Audi owners never use correctly, even though they are already built into the system.